So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will walk you through how to insert footnotes and endnotes in Microsoft Word step by step. So we will also look at the correct formatting for both APA and MLA styles. So whether you're working on a research paper, essay or thesis, this tutorial will make things super simple. So let's get started. So here I have a document, just an essay that I'm going to use to explain this to you. So once you open your document in Microsoft Word, go ahead to this section tab that says references, click on it. Then here you can see in this Microsoft Word ribbon, you have this section that says insert footnote or insert the endnote. So what you want to do to make sure that you have full customization, you click on this launch button down here, click on it like that. Then here you have a full customization. Let's say we start with the footnotes, click on it like that. Then do you want to your footnotes to appear at the bottom of the page or immediately under the number? So let's say, for example, below the text, when you click on below the text will appear immediately below but let's start with the bottom of the page so I can show you what I'm trying to say. Then here you can also match the section layout, or maybe you change, but make sure it matches the section layout. Then here you have the number format. You can pick the Arabics or the Arabic numerals, or you can use the Roman numerals. I will pick these Arabic numerals. Then you can also change start at. It can start at 1 or page 2 of your document. It depends on how you want it. Then the numbering, is it continuous or restart on each section? You can customize on that and let it continuous. Then apply changes to the whole document. Then after that, I will go ahead and click insert. Once I click insert, make sure first of all you move your cursor. My cursor was here, that's why you can see this number is here. Then immediately the footnote will appear down here because I've said it appears below. Then you can go ahead and write your first footnote. So let's say, for example, this is the first note that you've written. Then if you want to go back to where you have done your footnote, just double click on the number, then it will take you back to this section that you have your first footnote. You can also go ahead and do for another one. So here you've already customized your sections here. You can just go ahead and click on that. Then you can go ahead and also insert like that. It will appear down here. Then type the footnote. This is the second note. So you can continue doing that to make sure that your notes are clearly. So double click on the number, it will take you back there. So you can continue doing that, inserting your footnotes, and they'll be appearing down here. Then once you're done on that page, you can go ahead. So let's say, for example, I want to put the endnotes here. I want to make sure I use both of them in this document. What I'll do is just click on this. Then I'll go back and select the endnote. Do I want it at the bottom of the page or the end of the document? So I can come here and then you see you have the end section, end of the document. I click on the end of the document. I can pick the Arabic, the numerals, the Roman numerals. Then to make sure that it's different from the footnotes, I'll click insert. Then once I click insert, it will appear here. Then I can go ahead and create the note like that. You can continue doing that. Just double click here, take you back to sections where you want to make sure that you edit your endnote and all that. Then that is how you will be filling your notes in your Microsoft Word. So since I've already created these, here I have my footnotes, and then down here I have my endnotes like that. You have used both of them, but the difference is this one I've used the Roman numerals, then here I've used the Arabic numerals, that's the regular numbers. So you can use both of them like that in one document. I have also edited this document into APA format. So the way I've said, like for example, if I click here, then I go to insert like this, then I say it matches the section layout. Make sure you edit your document into APA or MLA to make sure that the font size that you're going to use, and the font type matches what you've already edited in your document, so that it matches clearly with that. So this is Times New Romance, font size 12. If I go back here, you can see I can also increase the font size to change it to 12, like that, if I want it to match with exactly this APA. So it depends on how you will first of all edit your document into MLA or APA. And there is a video that I've done on how you edit your document in different formats in APA or MLA. So please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe so that you can go ahead and follow up on those videos that I've done before. So the other thing that I will tell you before we complete this is that you can use the footnotes and endnotes in the same document the way you have done. So if you move the text connected to the footnotes or endnotes, the sequencing of the superscripts or the letters and the notes themselves will be automatically updated. So every time you can come to your document and move the section that you have, like for example, let's say we delete this section, but footnote is still there, it will still be updated. So if I take this section of, like for example, let me say I pick this, then I cut it, then I come and paste it below the one that was on section 2. You can see this is updating itself. The one that was 2, it has become 1, and the one that is 2, it has become 2. So if you add any or delete footnotes or endnotes between existing notes, the sequencing of the footnotes or the endnotes will change based on this. So if I want to take this paragraph and put it up here, the sequencing will still change. So if I just cut it, then go back, for example, and paste up here, just click enter so that I can paste this up here. Just click that. Then you see the sequencing is changing from 1 to 2 and 2 to 1. And that is how you can create your footnotes in Microsoft Word. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a like, you subscribe, and I know you're going to leave a question or any topic that you want us to cover on the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.